What is going on, guys? Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to prepare my 450 for the season. I'm going to swap out my graphics kit for a new fully custom bowl graphics kit. It's basically a version 2 of this graphics kit, but with more fluo and a bit of red holographic chrome. It also has the holographic glitter on it, so I'm excited to see how that will look. I'm also going to Cerakote my handlebars and my rear sprocket. So yeah, let's start by taking off the wheels, rip off the graphics and take off the parts that's going to be Cerakoted. The bike a bit more than I said. I got the wheels off, ripped off the stickers and the handlebars, but I also took off the foot tube because I thought why not Cerakote that as well. And I also took off the exhaust because I'm going to polish the header, and it's a bit easier to clean around the engine and the swing arm when the exhaust and the rear shock is off. But now I'm going to go outside and sandblast the parts that's going to be Cerakoted. The handlebars are too wide for my blast cabinet, so I will go outside and sandblast. I'm also going to use the Cerakote C series. I can't fit the handlebars in my oven either because the bars are so wide. So let's go outside and sandblast the parts and Cerakote them in graphite black. So, as you just saw, I've sandblasted the parts, the handlebar, the sprocket, the plate holder and my foot tube. I've baked the parts that did fit in the oven, so these parts should be ready for some Cerakote now. I'm just gonna wipe down the handlebars with some acetone, and yeah, after that we should be able to apply some Cerakote. So this is the Cerakote I'm going to use. It's the C series graphite black. So I'm just gonna wipe down the handlebars, and after that I can apply some Cerakote. So the parts are now Cerakoted and ready to be reinstalled again. And I run Motormaster brake discs on this bike. I have the Nitro disc in the rear and the flame disc in the front. together. I got a bit carried away, so it's almost finished now. It's only left to install the new fully custom graphics kit from Bold Designs. So let's install it and see how the bike will turn out.